Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, keyless ignition, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS Top Safety Pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2017 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, keyless start, security system, MP3 player.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
The all-new Daytona Nissan. We make it easier. Easier because 19 acres of 1,000 new Nissans means we have the right vehicle for you. Easy to own because every new Daytona Nissan comes with a lifetime warranty. And easy to service because the state-of-the-art facility and express lane makes servicing any vehicle easier. Easy to enjoy free refreshments and Wi-Fi while the kids play. Waiting is quick and easy. Come check out the all-new Daytona Nissan just under the big flag at the Automall. I-95 at LPGA Boulevard.
Make your move to Daytona Nissan.
At Daytona Nissan, it's easier.